These are 3 things you need to look out for when you're buying a new drone. First things first, we want to consider photo and video quality. For video, we want to shoot for high quality images, shooting at 4K. And for photos, you definitely want to consider anything over 12 megapixels to give you some nice, crispy, sharp images. The second thing is going to be portability. Not only do we want a drone that's just easy to set up and fly, but we also want something that's easy to fit in our bag, take out very quickly, because you don't really want to be bogged down by heavy batteries and a heavy drone set. So try to get something that's more portable. The third thing you want to consider is obstacle sensing. Obstacle sensing is essentially training wheels for your drone. It's going to allow you to avoid obstacles, avoid structures from hitting and crashing into them. And we all know, as a beginner drone pilot, that's one of the biggest fears that you have. So try to get a drone with obstacle avoidance or obstacle sensing to help you build your confidence and avoid those obstacles that just magically pop up sometimes when we're flying. If you want more drone tips like this, follow my page for more content.